In a quiet little village, where time moved slower than the wind, lived an old man who carried more memories than anyone could see. Every single morning, his gentle hands carved tiny wooden birds, each one shaped carefully with love, patience, and memory.
I wish you could still fly, little one. I remember the day I found you.
To others, they looked like simple carvings, but to him, every bird carried a face he could never forget. Even through loneliness and passing time, he continued creating beauty, proving hope can survive inside the quietest souls. When the tree finally bloomed with wooden birds, the village understood they were memories finally learning how to fly.